What's up? Good morning. About to do a little bit of surgery on Carl here. Needs a magnetic pickup, and of course it's on the back, so I'm just gonna do it the easy way and chop it. Alright, got my line scribed out. Kind of picking a line. I'm probably gonna pick the bigger line there, make it an easier turn. Here we go. Alright, sorry if anybody lives in here. Sorry for my ears. Say a prayer for my ears. I'm about to go deaf. It's going to be loud. You really shouldn't do this one-handed. It's really hard. That went way better than I expected. Yeah. Ta-da! Alright, y'all. You still can't see the part. Whoa, what happened? But I can fit my big-ass gorilla hands in there now. Look at that. That's some mean-ass grinder skills. Except for that one skip. 2 skips. Whatever. Yeah, skills. Alright, guys. 30 seconds in, I found the part. And there's no bolts in it. Nothing to hold it down. Well, no wonder the truck won't start. Son of a bitch. Well, I'll be a monkey's butt-fucking uncle. Okay, anybody knows what size bolts go in this thing? Because there was none. Let me know. That'd be great. Okay. I think I got it. I think I got Carl running. We'll see here in a second. Final steps. Here we go. Baby booty. All right, Danica, you want to start Carl?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, yeah. That's the stuff. Wow. Got it all back together. Yeehaw. See what a little bit of ingenuity and a whole lot of money can do? Woo! You got it, babe. Can you get in? Oh, yeah. Well, Carl does move. Carl works. So far, so good. Still says Team Gordo on it. Woo! But, check it out. Carl's got a grill. Well, he's got a bumper. He needs a